Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create this duotone paper rip photo effect using InShot video editor. So make sure you stick around till the end of the video. Hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more InShot video editing tutorials. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video. So the first step is to open InShot video editor and create a new photo project. So click on photo and add your main photo. Now, the first step is to create the duotone effect by using the filter. So let's go to filter, go to duo. Now you see different types of duo filters that you can use. So for this tutorial, I will select this one. So you can adjust the intensity, you can increase or decrease the intensity. So for this tutorial, I will leave it at around 80%. Now see the before and after, before and after. Now the next step is to add the paper rip material at the sides of the photo. So to do this, go to sticker, so click on cutout and add the material. Now increase the size and place the material at both sides, left and right. Left side. Now add another material again, rotate it, increase the size and place it at the right hand side. And the final result should look like this. So guys, here is how to create this duotone paper rip photo effect using InShot video editor. Thank you so much for watching guys. Much love I got for you and I will see you in the next one. Peace.